Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best Mixology 10-piece bartender kit. Starting at number 5. Bartender Kit Cocktail. If you want to make cocktails like a professional bartender, look no further than this handy cocktail kit. It comes with all the typical tools you would expect, and the stand is made from stylish bamboo wood. The included 550 milliliters martini shaker is a generous size and great for making several cocktails at once. This set also includes a double jigger, muddler, European bar spoon, strainer, liquor pourer, ice tongs, and corkscrew. All the items are dishwasher safe, so you spend less time cleaning and more time praying. This bartender kit has the added bonus of recipe cards to get you started on your mixology journey. Coming at number 4. Bartender Kit 13-piece. This cocktail making kit makes an excellent gift to any cocktail aficionados in your life, or even just yourself. This shaker set comes with 13 pieces, including capacity tins, a strainer, double jigger, bottle opener, bar spoon, and more. The stainless steel tools have a mirror finish and are dishwasher safe, so you won't need to worry about the mess. In addition, the shaker tins are durable and easy to use as they fit perfectly into each other with a reliable seal. The unique stand also has useful handles, so you can move it around the kitchen as required. At number 3. Cocktail Shaker Set. This cocktail shaker set is available in 15 or 16 pieces and contains everything you need to make and enjoy delicious cocktails, including a shaker, double jigger, multiple straws, pourers, tongs, and more. Every item is made from stainless steel, so you don't need to worry about discoloration or rust. Perfect if you are looking for a set for your bar or even just your kitchen. The set is very easy to clean, simply wash it by hand in warm, soapy water. As well as having all the necessary tools, this set also comes with a recipe book for numerous cocktails. If you are looking for new drinks or you are a complete beginner to cocktails, this is the purchase for you. Number 2 of my list. Mixology Bartender Kit. This 10-piece bartender kit includes everything you need to make professional-looking cocktails. The set includes a European bar spoon with a disc at the end you can use to crush ingredients and ice. It also includes a double measure jigger, corkscrew, ice tong, muddler, hawthorn strainer, 2 liquor pourers, and a bamboo display stand. This product is available in black, copper, gold, and silver. The bartender kit also comes with a light bamboo stand or mahogany stand. With so many color options, you are sure to find a product within this selection that you love. This product is suitable for professionals and novices alike. And number 1. Bartender Kit Black. The J&A Homes Bartender Kit is the best overall bartender kit in 2022. This stylish bartender kit is made from dark metal and comes in a wooden stand. The set includes a hawthorn strainer, a 3-piece 7-ounce shaker, a corkscrew and bottle opener, a bar spoon, and a double measurement jigger. The shaker is in the cobbler style, which is easy to use. Each item has a high shine finish, helping them look extremely stylish. This set is the perfect gift for anyone who loves to host parties or make delicious cocktails. This set has everything you need to make delicious and fun cocktails. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.